What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Only MT Pro. Today in front of me I have the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've been waiting for a very long time, and here it is. Better late than never. And I thought the best way to start this new channel is by making my first video the unboxing of my new iPhone. I got the base 128 gigs white/silver model. This cost me a bit over $2,050 Canadian since I added the Apple Care Plus to it. Yes, I need that peace of mind. So here it is, the iPhone 12 Pro Max in white/silver. The biggest iPhone display made by Apple to date, a 6.7-inch all-screen OLED Super Retina XDR display. As y'all know, this is running the latest A14 Bionic chip. This year Apple added a few extra features to this model that the smaller iPhone 12 Pro does not have, but that comparison will be for another video. I'm currently coming from the iPhone 7 Plus, so the size feels great. I wanted to initially go with the 6.1-inch model, but I knew the size was going to bother me. Don't listen to others. Size does matter. So now let's see what they didn't give us in the box this year. First off, no more earpods, unless you live in France. We only have one Apple sticker this year, and yes, the SIM card ejection tool is still included. A wire lightning port to USB-C is still included, but the brick itself is not. Just so you know, if you have an older iPhone charger, lightning port to USB-A, you can still use it to charge the iPhone 12 lineup, but it will be much slower, so don't throw them away. Finally, if you have been following the Apple sheeps, I'm sure you heard this a million different times, but I'll say it once again. Apple does not include a wall charger with their devices this year, even if you pay $2,000. So if we check Apple's website right now, the brick is currently selling for $25 Canadian. And if Apple won't include one, I'll just take it from them. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm mostly active on Twitter, so if you have any questions, you can reach out to me there. I'll link it down in the description. I will also be testing out the camera and try to get some nice shots, which I'll also post on Twitter. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe.